Well, it's time for a cold snack. And we're gonna pull this motor. Real quick and dirty like. I think I'm just gonna put you guys on a time lapse. We'll see how long this takes to get this out. Figure I can get it done in under an hour.
Yep.
Yeah, here we go. Pop right out of here. First time it's ever been out.
Probably. Oh, yeah. A little sideways, but that's okay. We might have a... Yeah.
We've got a ground wire here.
I think so, but it's
There we go.
free hanging.
Free as a bird. She needs a good cleaning.
She's a baby
A little
bird.
bit of the fresh coat of Buick granite. Oh, I'm dropping now. She's really pretty.
You can lower the car a bit.
Yeah.
I think so.
It's gonna land on the legs.
Oh.
Some.
And the hook on the belt. Exhaust manifold. Ah, I'm gonna rip the top. Oh, part of it fell off.
That's just that valve
Yep.
emissions.
There you go. And there you have it.
All right, that's sort of how you pull a Buick motor. All right, guys. Well, there it is, quick and dirty. That only took me maybe an hour tops to get that out of there. The carburetor's leaking because we're sitting at such a funny angle. Dad's here helping, sort of filming, and that's what we got left under here. So
Good tranny.
it is good. We know that it does good burnouts. I think we're going to use that torque converter. We're going to try out the tranny on the convertible Buick with this motor. He said he had it rebuilt, so we're going to trust him and give it a shot. Yeah, we don't need to see that. And yeah, here you can see 350. She's still got that original Buick red underneath all this dirt. And that's the color we'll be painting her again. We're just gonna go through. We'll pull this whole timing cover off, check the timing chain, and we'll inspect the oil pump. And we'll get what we need. We'll freshen this thing up. We'll probably even pull the pan and have a boo in there. And next video, we'll be, I don't know, tearing this apart, putting it in the other car maybe. Who knows? Just stay tuned.